Hi, welcome back to Simply Maker channel. In this video, I'll show you how I modify this RELIFE PCB fixture to make it more versatile with the custom 3D print parts. I recently got this RELIFE PCB fixture, which is great for small PCB work. It's well built with a CNC metal base, and the top part and the clamp jaws are made with heat-resistant materials. What makes this fixture stand out is its 3 small quick-release clamps that make securing your workpiece super easy. Each clamp operates independently, allowing you to secure odd-shaped parts more firmly. However, like most PCB fixtures, it's designed primarily for reworking logic boards. I quickly found that the clamp jaws are too thin for other applications. However, I really love the quick release feature, and it would be great if I could adapt it for different uses. Fortunately, the jaws are easy to remove, because they're attached with screws. So, if I can raise the clamps by about 1 to 2 centimeters, it will provide more room to clamp taller workpieces. I designed a custom part that will sit on top of the original clamp jaws, and I'll secure to the base, using the same screw holes with longer screws. I also widened the clamping area, and added slots to provide a better grip on PCB boards. This slot also helps to keep wires straight during wire splicing. Once I was happy with the design, I printed the first prototype using eSun ABS+. I found it easier to print than standard ABS filament with less odor. It's quite durable and can handle moderate temperatures. However, it won't tolerate direct heat from a hot air gun. So if you need to do any rework with hot air, you'll still need to use the original jaws. Attaching the new jaws is straightforward. Simply unscrew the 2 screws from the original clamp jaw. Place the 3D printed part on top, and secure both parts with 10mm M2.5 screws. For the longer clamp, you'll need 10mm M3 screws. Be cautious when removing the long clamp, as there's a small bushing underneath. So, it's easier to attach each side one at a time to keep everything aligned. After testing the first prototype, I noticed a few areas for improvement. First, I can lower the overall height of the printed jaw to make it more compact. This also allows me to increase its thickness, for added strength and stability. For the long clamp, I initially designed it with a slot to prevent twisting, but that made the other side of the clamp unusable. By removing the back tongue, I can make the clamp usable on both sides, adding more flexibility. And now, here is the final version. With the new raised jaws on the RELIFE fixture, soldering has become much easier. It's far more stable compared to using traditional alligator clips. It makes the whole process smoother and gives better results. The sliding clamp also helps secure and release the workpiece faster and with less hassle. Another advantage of this upgrade is when I'm working with connectors or other flat components, I can rest them on the fixture base to keep them flat against the PCB while soldering. The wider clamping slot not only holds components more securely, but it's also great for working with wires. It keeps the wire straight and steady, making wire splicing much easier. Okay, that's it. Overall, I'm really happy with this upgrade. With just a few modifications, this fixture has become the best compact helping hand I've ever used. It allows me to mount the workpiece stably and effortlessly, resulting in better outcomes for my electronics projects. You can even use it together with your traditional alligator clip, which makes it an even more versatile tool. If you're interested in making this modification yourself, check the description for links to the 3D files and the required components. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more DIY project ideas. Thank you for watching.